chicken printed on it. There's a fake drumstick attached to the top. They have these like little pins and stuff you can get for your Crocs. Apparently this one comes with it. And they're chicken scented because nothing says, hey, you're a cool guy, like having chicken scented feet. Mix that with the sweat and I'm assuming bad smell of your feet in general. Delish. Ugh.
DK and yesterday, I'm sticking around. Clock on B101. This is the sound of doing.
And fundamentally evil system, and people place too much faith in it. You know, everyone was all excited about that. Inspector General's report. Oh, Comey's really in trouble this time. Clapper and Brennan are in trouble this time. No, they're not. They're laughing about this. They're on CNN. They're giving they're like huge speaking fees going all over the place. They're still respected people going out there on television, doing book deals, and nothing's happening to them. And so now we say, oh, yeah, well, this, okay, the Inspector General's report, that was much more narrowly focused. This Durham report, that's really going to get these guys. Then these guys are really in trouble. No, they're not. No, they're not, because it's more basic than that. How naive do you have to be? What's sick about this system is that there's one group of people who are in the club, and it's Hillary and all her, actually, the Jussie Smollett thing is even another example of that at the state level. Because this guy stages a fake hate crime. He allegedly claims he's beaten up by Trump supporters at 2 in the morning in the middle of a polar vortex in Chicago when he was suddenly overcome by an urge to walk out in the middle of the polar vortex and get a meatball sub from Subway, which he could have fought back with anyway in a polar vortex. If the thing had frozen solid, he could have fought back against these attackers. But there weren't any attackers. It was a fake hate crime. And Kim Fox, the state's attorney, decides not to prosecute for that. She's a pal of the Obamas. And Jussie Smollett is a member of the club. We've degenerated from a land of laws into a land of men. If you're in the club, nothing happens. If you're not in the club, like Roger Stone, a gadfly, then you're going to die in jail, and they send basically a military assault team to take you and your septuagenarian wife down in a dawn raid watched by CNN. Trump